Welcome back, guys. Welcome to my new subscriber. Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to make a lentil salad. Okay, guys. Thanks to all my subscribers. Continue to like, continue to share. And guys, this is my lentil. This is my lentil that I have washed. I've picked and washed. So now I'm gonna put it to cook for 20 minutes. Okay, and this is what I'm going to use to make my salad. This is a red onion and some fresh scallion. Here I have jalapeno pepper. I'm going to use also, and my grape tomato that I've bought to make my salad. And this is all the spices that I'm going to use. All the spices that I'm going to add to my salad. Okay, guys. And guys, I'm finished cooking my lentil, and I put it to drain, and it is cool. So now I'm going to add the dressing on it. I'm going to add all these seasonings, and this is my red onion that I'm going to add to this lentil. My red onion. This is some tomato, grape tomato. This is some grape tomato that I'm going to add to the lentil. And this is jalapeno pepper, so I'm going to add also. And this is some green scallion that I'm adding. And next, some parsley that I'm going to add. It's so colorful and pretty. It's so colorful and healthy. And guys, this is my lentil salad. Thanks for watching. Continue to like and share this video. It's so pretty and it is healthy also. See you at my next video. Bye.